You control that relationship yourself. You decide, not them, how much you can communicate to these people. So the way that I position it, when I do a contest, I will do something like this. So let me break down what we're doing, right? So again, like I said, the ad cost is skyrocketing. That cost of promotion does not change. Start working on growing your list is the focus. And we have a few recommended strategies that you guys can actually get done, which it takes a little bit of work. You can either hire a company like us to build it for you, or you can build it yourself depending on your skill. And you can create these strategies to help you generate an explosion. So contest is one of those strategies. We have done very successful contests. We use a platform here. There's many ways that you can set up a contest. But for example, what you see here is a platform called ManyChat. And on this one, this is something that we ran last year. So I ran a contest in 2020 in the middle of the pandemic when it was taking off, in which I took one of my products and I gave it away for free. And I gave access to everybody. And I required people to give me free things in exchange for that particular product. One of those things was video testimonial when they were done, if they were happy with the product, number one. Number two, they had to help me spread the word, and they were given a special link so they can share with people and friends and post it on social media everywhere, and that would help me get more people. And number three, they actually had to use the product. And I said, if you're interested and you're willing to do these free things for me, I'm gonna give you access. And I gave them access to a program that I had, which was sold for a lot of money before, and we went super explosively viral. We had a 10,000 people list, and that one went to 45,000 in a matter of 6 weeks. Explosion. People were posting on Facebook, on Instagram about it. They were sending emails. The whole thing went explosive. Many reasons why that happens. We did the same thing with my dad's content, and it was incredible. In my dad's case, it was even more intense. A 10,000 people list went to 220,000 people in a matter of 6 weeks. It was quite something. So the reason why this is so successful is, number one, people on Facebook are looking to get entertained. People on Instagram, they want to do something that's interactive and fun. A contest in which everybody wins is great. It's fun. They want to participate in that. Maybe they don't want to participate in a sale or an offer, but they want to participate in something that is entertaining for themselves. They want to feel they're a part of something special. They want to be inspired. They want to be a part of something that is not normal every single day. You got to remember that Facebook and Instagram are different platforms than, for example, Google. People that are searching on Google are buyers. They're directly looking to resolve a problem. People that are on Facebook and Instagram are not buyers. You are trying to interrupt them and make them interested in yourself. So you have to approach them differently if you want to get them to respond to your messages. So we created a flow. This is something that might be, your head might be going crazy at this point. How do you build this thing out? But this is something that, again, it doesn't take rocket science to understand how to build it. You either go through the learning curve and get a little bit of training, which is free, all right, or you have somebody else build it for you, because this is available. ManyChat is the name of the platform. I'm a big advocate for the platform, and I've been talking about this platform for a long time. ManyChat connects a lot of different worlds together. They connect SMS, they connect email, Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp. It's basically a hub. It is the center of communication for all these different messaging platforms. And you can set it up, integrate things, have a phone number assigned to, connect your Instagram profile, and you can do beautiful things on it, like running contests like this.
On this contest that you did you have them give you their email or just opt into Facebook Messenger?
Great question. Okay, so we, as a firm policy, every single time before we give them value, we have to get their phone number and email. The reason for that is because Facebook Messenger and Instagram direct messaging and WhatsApp, they have limitations to how much you can communicate with people. They set the rules. When you acquire a phone number and email, you control that relationship yourself. You decide, not them, how much you can communicate to these people. So the way that I position it, when I do a contest, I will do something like this. Hey, Anthony, I want to thank you for your interest in being a part of our contest. Just so you know, in order to participate, I'm going to have to require your phone number and email. This is something that we use to be able to talk about more of our products and services, and we promise you not to sell your information or not to spam. Are you interested in participating? A large percentage of them say they do because we already have attracted them with the message to begin with. So we let them know, and then we extract the phone number and email. ManyChat allows you to extract that phone number and email, and it makes it very user-friendly. So again, marketing strategies that are very, very, very ninja, like this guy right here. It's a ninja, all right, representing us. Those marketing strategies do require a little bit of intellectual property. It's not gonna be, you guys are not gonna come here to a workshop, and I'm not gonna tell you, hey, just flip that switch, and the money's gonna start pouring in. Oh, wow, money coming in. No, there has to be some work, right? I talked to some of you guys, and practicality is the name of the game. You have to be able to show up and get enlightened and realize, wow, there is an opportunity. What do I need to do to take advantage of the opportunity? Well, the first step is learning, right? You got to acquire that knowledge. The other day I created my own formula, and I called it KIC, which is knowledge, implementation, and creativity. You got it, Anthony. Thank you. Right? So you got to acquire the knowledge, you got to implement that knowledge, and you got to get creative. Those things are part and parcel of the world of marketing. You come over here, you get ideas, and you get them executed. You might see this thing right here, and it might be a little bit daunting or intimidating, if we can use those words. But again, this is something that the knowledge is out there for you to acquire, and it's quite magical to set it up. And once you got it all set up, you can run some Facebook ads or Instagram ads, which also the knowledge is there, and you can generate a flurry of people interested in being a part of your world. You don't have to be a brand yourself to get this done. We're actually running, you don't have to be a personal brand. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to be a content creator to do this. If you are, it makes it a little bit easier because people do connect with you and your face, but I am doing this for brands. We have a great brand right now that specializes in teas, and she's amazing. She's built an incredible business. And we are doing a lot of these things for her right now. And she's going to be doing something in which everybody wins. We created a little something that as a personal brand, she doesn't have a personal brand herself. She's working on building it. But basically, we created a concept in which we have this knowledge which is going to make somebody else's lives better, which all businesses should have that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be in business. We have this knowledge, and we're structuring it in a package in a way that we're going to give it to them for free. That is my value. I give it to you for free. In exchange, help me participate. And then some of you guys might actually win a gift card from our store too. So you can create a contest that adds like a gift card, a course, some kind of like award or prize somehow that you put together, something that you can include in a contest like this very easily. So again, that's one of the strategies that I recommend. This is what we did for my dad. We actually he has a whole training on it that is called the Metabolism University. There's a lot of different trainings. We took one of those courses, one of them, just one small one that we will sell for $20. And that thing, we took it and we built a contest about that, around that. We ended up getting about 300 testimonials, video testimonials, and we got a lot of identities. And that helps us feed our e-commerce and our call centers in general.